Where is it? Yo, gosh, Brad. There's a bird in the church. Y'all see it? Brad's gonna get it. Oh my gosh. You got, yeah. Where'd it go?
Office.
You got this, Brad. I got faith in you. Oh gosh.
If it quits, if it,
Oh my gosh.
stupid bird.
Yes, folks. This is what we do at church when nobody else is here. Wow. You must love offices.
Walk in there. Bring it.
Dude, I ain't walking in there. It's like a pterodactyl. Bite my head off. Did you get it? Gosh.
I got it.
You ain't got him.
Oh, don't tell me I ain't got him. I'm going
Dude,
to
he's just going back and forth. This is fun. Wow. I give it to him. Dude loves the house of God. Oh my gosh.
The chair got in my way that time. I
Where
got
did he
him
go
this
now?
time.
Where is he? He loves that air conditioner. How the heck did he get in here? Gosh.
It's a bird. You're afraid of a bird?
Dude, this thing's poop. I think it's part pterodactyl. I ain't messing with that thing. How do I get that bird out of here? It'll land in some woman's hair tonight.
That would be funny.
Look at that. It's like
What-
it's tied.
What about Ada Martin's hair? That'd be priceless.
Whoa! Gosh! Oh! Let's call Ada Martin. She can come get this thing. Whoa! Gosh, dude, it went right through my legs. What about Wanda Taylor? Imagine if it landed in Wanda's hair. If it landed in Judy Shirley's hair, that'd be priceless. Alright folks, we're trying to catch the bird. We'll let you know how it goes.